Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're doing a quick install in this Aosu 2K camera. This has a night vision. This has motion detection. Really super easy to install. And the reason why I'm installing it is I have a deck here that I want to cover for anybody who's coming in at night or during the day. I want to be notified if someone's coming in. Here is a solar panel that we're going to install. Now I had these hooked up in different parts of my home before, and I'm going to actually put it in a new location. That's why I'm making this video. All you really need is a drill, couple of screws, the mounting brackets. They give you everything in the kit. This is a multi-kit. This comes with 4 cameras. You can get it with 2 cameras or 4. I have the 4 camera. I'm going to hook this one up. I'm going to show you some of the footage, and you be the judge. These are absolutely fantastic. I'm definitely going to recommend these 1000%. Now I just want to show you, I'm looking to cover this back area right here. This is the back area I want to cover. That way, if anybody comes up to the back door here, I know if they're here. That's important. I really want to know that. And I'm going to put this camera, let me show you real quick here. I'm going to mount it. Let me get this going up for you. Right there. I'm going to mount it right up there in that corner. That's exactly where I'm going to mount it. So it's super easy to use, super easy to do, and definitely it's an easy install. Right up there, that's where it's going to go. And that's what I was going to do. I'm going to put the solar panel over here. I'm going to put the camera right in this corner. I'm going to have it pointing over here to cover my deck, and that's what I'm going to do. So super easy to install. Definitely going to do it. And you can do it too. I want to show you some footage, so stick with the video. I'm going to show you some of the footage. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, let's get to installing. Okay, so I'm going to put the first mount here. This is where the camera is going to go, right here. So I'm just going to finish. So the next thing I'm going to do is just take the camera. I'm going to mount it on. So you got the bracket here. This is just going to snap right on there. Super easy. So I'll just show you this. We'll just slide onto there and just connect. That's all you got to do. Really super easy. We just turn this around. Sorry about the motion. This will slide onto this bracket and slides down and locks in like that. So you can see how it snaps on like that. Now you can adjust the camera. You can see how it adjusts up and down the pitch. And I'm going to have it down like that. But I'll show you here. I got it backwards. Sorry. It goes this way. Yeah, so this is where the USB cable goes right here. Right then to here. The USB cable plug here. I'm going to put the solar panel right here, right next to it. This is where the sun gets it, and we're going to hook that all up. And you can see how nice and high it is. And I can get the angle exactly where I want. So you can see how beautiful that is and how it covers this deck nicely. Definitely recommend this. I'm going to hook up the solar panel, and we'll do that right now. Okay, so you can see here, this is the where the solar panel goes, and we're just going to basically just screw this on here. I'm just gonna, you're gonna see that. Screw this on, really easy, like that. Turn it around. Oop. Trying to get this with one hand. Sorry, I'm doing one hand, so it is not easy to do one hand. Let me get this adapter on 1 second. Hold, please. There we go. So one hand. Okay, I'm going to snug it up a little bit. I'm going to turn this up to the sun. That's where the sun is. I'm going to adjust this pitch a little bit. Just like this. Yeah, that's perfect. Where I want to be. The sun's right around there. That is great. Okay, I'm going to twist. That's actually perfect. So that's where the sun is all day, pretty much all morning. That's how the sun's going to capture the sun. I'm going to keep this charged. This just plugs underneath here. Right underneath, right here, and that's all you gotta do. And this makes a watertight seal. Just pop that in there, and that's good to go. Got a line there, so I told you the line to push it right up to the line, and that'll seal it.
You can see here the notification is going to go off in a second. You can see how clear. There it is. There's a notification. I just got on my phone, and everything is super clear. You can see the image is really good. Audio is great. You can talk back and forth. This is the best camera system out there. You can get the 2-pack, the 4-pack. You can see the quality. You can pinch to zoom. You can record. You can take a snapshot. You can do so many things, and it's just super clear. That 4K imaging is fantastic. This is waterproof. Just you can see the quality is just amazing, and definitely go ahead and recommend this. So pick this up. I think you can't go wrong. If someone's like, lurking around, you're going to get all the footage that you need. You're going to get all the proof. Everything is saved on the internal hard drive inside your home that's hardwired into your system. This is one of the best security systems out there. I absolutely in love with it. I recommend it, and definitely pick it up. It's fantastic. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Have a great day.